The human.
Human beings are central to human-computer interaction, which stands for HCI. Understanding human behavior, capabilities, and limitation is vital in HCI design. Cognitive process, including perception, attention, and memory, influence how humans interact with computers. Human diversity, including age, abilities, cultural backgrounds, and preferences, must be considered in HCI design. Human-centered design principles emphasize designing products and interfaces that prioritize user needs and preferences. Creating user interfaces that are intuitive, efficient, and satisfying is a key goal in HCI. Human-computer interaction extends beyond traditional computing devices to include various forms of digital interactions, such as touchscreens, voice commands, and virtual reality. Good HCI design considers factors like accessibility, inclusivity, and user empowerment. The study of human behavior and psychology plays a significant role in HCI research and design. Usability testing and user feedback are critical for ensuring that technology aligns with human needs and expectations. In summary, the human element in HCI is fundamental. Designing with a deep understanding of human behavior and preferences leads to more effective and user-friendly technology interactions.
After reviewing the Unit 2, titled The Computer Part 1 and Part 2, I have learned that the human-computer interaction encompasses a widely array of input and output devices, including traditional alphanumeric keyboard, innovative chord keyboard, phone pad, antenna and entry methods, handwriting recognition, and speech recognition. Additionally, I have gained the insight into various pointing and drawing devices, like the mouse, touchpad, trackball, and stylus, as well as display technologies such as bitmap, displays, and touchscreen. The material also touch upon technologies like LCD and large display, emphasizing the role of digital paper as a flexible medium for retaining electronic content. Moreover, I have explored additional aspects of interaction, including devices for virtual reality and 3D interaction, physical control, sensor, and special devices, such as sound input and haptic feedback. The significance of positioning and 3D environment, the capabilities of 3D displays, and the impact of networking computing on interactivity were also covered, providing the comprehensive overview of the diverse way in which humans interact with the computer and the technology that facilitates this interaction.
The interaction. Interaction is the heart of human-computer interaction, or HCI. Effective interaction design aims to create smooth and intuitive user experience. It encompasses a variety of elements including user interface design, feedback mechanism, usability, and user experience, or UX. A well-designed interaction should not only be functional, but also enjoyable and efficient for the user. User-centered design principles and a deep understanding of user needs are fundamental in creating successful interactions. Feedback and communication play a crucial role in the interaction process, ensuring users can interact with and understand the system. Usability and user experience are critical aspects to consider when designing interactions, as they greatly impact how users perceive and use a system. User interface design with principles like simplicity, consistency, and clarity significantly influence the effectiveness of interactions. The goals of interaction design includes effectiveness, efficiency, and user satisfaction, all of which are central to a successful HCI. A structured design process involving user research, prototyping, and testing helps in achieving these goals. In summary, interaction design is about creating meaningful and efficient interactions between humans and computers, focusing on the user's needs and preferences to provide a positive and enjoyable user experience.
After reviewing the Unit 4, titled Interaction Design Basic Part 1, I have learned the importance of understanding the effect of interaction in design and how to define the design in the context of HCI. I've also gained insight into the overall basic interactive design process, which involve requirements analysis, design, iteration, and prototyping, and implementation and deployment. The concept of design as achieving goal within constraint and the significance of considering user needs, scenario, navigation design, and structure within design were central to my understanding of this topic. Overall, based on our understanding into the domain of human-computer interaction or HCI, exploring its significance, implications, and influence of psychology in interactive system design, it begins by emphasizing HCI role and in designing, evaluating, and implementing interactive computing systems, underscoring its vital importance in our daily life, business, and industry. It highlights the economic, societal, and cultural implications of HCI, discussing its potential disadvantages such as enhanced communication and cost efficiency, as well as disadvantages including social isolation and potential de-skilling. It goes on to dissect the human elements in HCI, examining human limitation in information process in the various inputs and output channels, from visual to haptic, utilized in computer interference. It also delves into human vision, memory, thinking, reasoning, skill acquisition, errors, emotion, and individual differences as essential consideration in HCI design. Furthermore, the document discussed the role of psychology in the design of interactive system, where psychological principles are distilled into guidelines and techniques for effective system design. It also presents an overview of interaction categories including text-centric devices, positioning and pointing, display device, virtual reality tools, and more, highlighted and diversity of tools and technologies used for human system interaction.